Hello and welcome to this week's MarketSmith Market View. In this video, we'll walk through the latest market developments, identify sectors showing relative strength, and review a few stocks that are shaping constructive setups. The objective is to help you better interpret market signals and approach the market with discipline. Let's get started. India's Nifty 50 moved into a confirmed uptrend on 17th October 2025 after breaking above 25,670 to hit a new 52-week high. The index is trading well above key moving averages, signaling strong momentum. In this setup, stocks forming early-stage bases with strong relative strength and solid fundamentals are best placed to outperform. The market remains in a confirmed uptrend if the Nifty holds above its key support at the 50-day moving average. After hitting an all-time high in early December, the index recently touched a fresh 52-week high near 26,326, and sentiment should stay positive while it trades above the 50 DMA. On the upside, the all-time high zone is the key resistance to watch, with a breakout above 26,250 to 26,300 potentially leading to new record highs. However, a rise in distribution days or a break below major supports could shift the outlook to uptrend under pressure. On a downside, 25,700 and 25,300 remain critical support levels anchoring the broader trend. Let's see how different sectors are moving this week. Looking at sector performance, auto, bank, financial services, and pharma clearly stand out. They're showing strong momentum, holding a confirmed uptrend, and trading well above their 21, 50, and 200-day moving averages. IT and energy, on the other hand, are more mixed, hovering closer to their long-term averages and lacking clear momentum. Meanwhile, realty, FMCG, consumer durables, and media continue to lag. These sectors remain well below their 52-week highs, reflecting weak sentiment and a slower recovery. Here are a few stocks worth studying this week. Netweb Technologies, the stock has recently found support near its 100 DMA. It demonstrates strong fundamentals with an EPS strength of 96, a price strength of 92, and a buyer demand rating of a-. BSE Limited, the company reflects strong fundamentals supported by an EPS rank of 98, a buyer demand rating of B, and a price strength of 91. BSE is forming a cup with handle base on the daily chart. IDFC First Bank Limited, the stock has given a flat base pattern breakout on the daily chart. It has an EPS rank of 55, a buyer demand rating of A, and a price strength of 86. Stylum Industries Limited, the stock formed a cup with handle base on the daily chart, indicating a constructive technical setup. It exhibits robust characteristics with an EPS strength of 79, a price strength of 85, and a buyer demand rating of B+. Sai Life Sciences, the stock is currently forming a flat base pattern on the daily chart, reflecting a constructive technical setup. It displays strong fundamentals with an EPS strength of 99, a price strength score of 80, and a buyer demand rating of A. So, how should investors think about the current market? You just have to follow these guidelines. 1. Keep exposure light until the market shows clearer strength. 2. Focus only on stocks with both strong fundamentals and constructive technical setups. 3. Avoid chasing extended stocks. Instead, wait for proper entries backed by volume. Above all, patience is key. Let the market confirm before making new commitments. That's all for this week's MarketSmith Market View. Remember, it's not just about finding opportunities, it's about developing the habit of reading the market, sectors, and setups with discipline. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you have any doubts or queries, leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you. Information contained herein is not and should not be construed as an offer, solicitation, or recommendation to buy or sell securities. It is for educational purposes only. For more information, see our legal disclosure.